Hi mga UVG, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang update. Maraming salamat po pala sa ating mga new subscriber dyan. Hello po. Stay connected po tayo, no? So, sa mga returning subscriber, hello po. Basta kayo dyan. Okay, so tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ang second week of July, Virgo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. 6 of Wands, Victory card, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, ang ganda ng simula. Okay. So with the Four of Swords, nafe-feel mo to, meditate, contemplate, Virgo. Okay, so are you going to be successful, Virgo, whatever situation, anong sitwasyon meron ka man ngayon, um, nakapabor sa iyo or naka-align ka dito. Pero kailangan ng meditation, prayer, at guidance. Okay, so with the Six of Wands, you are being recognized sa environment mo, people around you, small things, nakikita kung anong ginagawa mo. So with the Wheel of Fortune, your hard work is gonna be paid off, Virgo, soon. Okay, but with the Four of Swords, deserve mong mamahinga, deserve mong magpahinga. Okay, is there any chance, Virgo, na 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, umupo ka, magkape ka, just relax, okay? Kasi alam mo na sa sarili mo na you do the work, okay? And nakatatak na sa utak ng mga nakapalibot sa'yo na you're doing good. Gets mo ako? So, your hard work is gonna be paid off here. So, with the Four of Wands, at saka the Hangman, meron lang delay. Okay. But with the Four of Wands, this is all about home, stability. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang binibuild. With the Four of Wands is family, home, accomplishment. But with the Hangman, tawag niyan, delay ng konti. Pero you're seeing the situation in a different perspective, Virgo, because alam mo sa sarili mo na you're gonna be in the right path when it comes to building something solid dito, Virgo. Okay, so kaya kailangan dito ng mamahinga ka muna, or you need to take a rest because health is wealth, Virgo. It will come into fruition, Virgo, here. Meron lang delay. Okay, so tignan natin what else. Ten of Cups, ang galing naman. Ang galing naman with the Ten of Cups. Kung ano man ang nire-reconstruct mo dito. But with the Ten of Swords, Four of Swords to the Ten of Swords, nasa baba. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo dito, mentally nag-overthink ka dito. Four of Swords, Ten of Swords. Pero ang kapalit niyan, ito naman, no. Ten of Cups, Four of Wands. Meron nga lang delay. So, destiny to Virgo. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na okay naman ang family mo, oh dang. Kasalan, marriage, proposal, opportunity when it comes to love, kahit wala pa yung Ace of Cups dito. I think, dalawang senaryo yung nakukuha ko, Virgo. Sa'yo pa rin, ikaw ang magiging, wait lang. Ikaw ang magiging ano dito, Sa'yo manggagaling ang discernment when it comes to building something solid here long term. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Ikaw ang magdadala, eh. Meaning to say may mga parating sa'yo dito, okey. Ten of Cups, Four of Wands, Two of Cups, Victory card with the Six of Wands, together with the Wheel of Fortune, it will come all at once, okey. So, kailangan ng rejuvenation dito when it comes to energy, Virgo. Ang energy mo kailangan ng rejuvenation dito. If you feel, heavy, kailangan ng detoxifying dito mentally, physically, spiritually. Okay. So, you need to see the situation in a different perspective, Virgo, kasi ma-overwhelm ka dito eh. I think, sandali nga, Eight of Wands, taking action, fast action, huwag masyadong pabugso-bugso when it comes to decision making, lalo na sa emotion mo, kung magdedesisyon ka or excited ka, eh much better na i-keep mo na lang muna. Okay. Kasi titingnan ko, clarify more. Queen of Pentacles. It's all about the bag, Virgo. Five of Wands. Ay, Three of Wands. Planning something here. Three of Wands and the Seven of Cups. Yun na nga sinasabi. You are building something solid here, Virgo, together with someone. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung new person to or past person. Let's figure it out. Two of Cups, clarify. Ten of Wands. Kaya lang marami siyang baggage, same as you. So, kailangan ng rejuvenation dito, as I said. Kailangan mo i-rejuvenate yung energy mo para hindi maapektuhan yung future mo. Kasi ang dami baggage dito, either ikaw or the another person or both of you. Kasi clarify ko yung Two of Cups. Ang lumabas is Ten of Wands. So, responsibilities, baggage, maraming with the Seven of Cups underneath, confusion to. Okay, so may naguguluhan, foggy ang pag-iisip, hindi makapag-isip ng straight. Pero ang gaganda ng mga nakapalibot to. So, inner work ang kailangan dito. Detoxify when it comes to thinking negatively. Okay, Virgo. Kasi parang feeling ko with the Ten of Swords tsaka Ten of Wands nag-overthink ka dito. May nag-overthink. Hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko, ikaw or either yung taong connected sa'yo or sa environment mo, Virgo. Pero the confusion is here. Bakit ka merong confusion card? Kasi when it comes to decision, you're taking action like walang kailangan mong pag-isipan mo muna on how you approach things or situation kasi matatrap ka dito or mai-stagnant ang anong naka in store for you with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Merong naka-in store sa'yo dito, Ten of Cups, Six of Wands, Four of Wands. So this is definitely with the Two of Cups. New home, new life, new place. Everything is new and it's destined to be in your energy. Kasi in some point naka-align ka or minanifest mo to. Okay, so it will come all at once. So ang advice sa'yo dito is mag-declutter ka, mag-rejuvenate ka. Pero I think yung person na magiging connected sa'yo is meron ding issue. It doesn't have like, hindi hindi kailangang ikaw ang gagawa na mag-declutter para sa kanya. I think kailangan niyang gawin mag-isa. Okay. So if you are the Virgo living in together, meron kang partner ngayon, I think merong iniisip or both of you is nagpaplano na i-take over ang relationship into the next level. But at the same time, kailangan yung mag-declutter ng mga responsibility dito. Ang tawag niyan, magbawas. Kasi with the ten of Wands at saka Ten of Swords, this is heavy. Hindi kayo mag-move forward ng ang ganda kasi yun. Kaya lang nandito yung confusion card. Meron ka pang Queen of Pentacles. So, with the Queen of Pentacles, all about the bag. You are gonna be, meron kang financial windfall dito. Okay, when it comes to, di ko alam kung anong ginawa mo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, Eight of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Ah, speechless ako dun, ang Queen of Pentacles, meron ka ditong 8-figure Virgo na stay ka sa 8-figure pero, nabigyan ka ng more than enough, okey. But I think kaya ka may confusion at saka kaya ka may 8 of Swords, stuck 'to, eh. Scarcity mindset, ayaw mo ng umalis sa posisyon ng 8-figure. I think para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okey. Para po sa mga ka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, kung ano man ang posisyon meron ka or kung ano man ang binild mo, okay, hindi easy yun, kasi walang successful na hindi dumataan sa butas ng karayom at hindi nagsusunog ng kilay unless otherwise inheritance. Okay, at saka pinanganak kang mayaman. Yun. Pero kung galing ka sa from rags to riches, this is definitely nakakapanindig balahibo. Kasi kung ano yung naging diskarte mo dito, Virgo, kailangan mo mag-expand. Like, hindi lang sa relationship, taking your relationship into the next level na sinabi ko kanina, I think when it comes to finances, parang you need to think outside the box, Virgo, with the Eight of Swords. Kasi parang may nagre-require sa'yo dito na you need to think outside the box kasi may mas malaking opportunity sa labas with the Ace of Pentacles. Hello, Ace of Pentacles to together with the Wheel of Fortune, Six of Wands, Victory card, Ten of Cups, Four of Wands, mission accomplished. Kailangan pa dito meron pang isa. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, you're about the entrepreneurial mindset. Okay, entrepreneurial mindset, diskarte. Ang ganda ng line na to. Okay, pero doon ka kasi sa nakasanayan mo, I think hindi ka naman makakarating sa ganitong posisyon kung hindi ka nag-think outside the box, okay. Pero I think more, kailangan mo mag-step further, okay, kasi meron kang Ace of Pentacles dito and with the victory card sa first card, okay. So, as I said, when it comes to your emotion, huwag kang magsasalita kapagka galit ka, kapagka masaya ka. Yung huwag mong sasabayan ng emotion. I mean, kung gusto mo magdesisyon or may gusto kang gawin, i-make sure mo na nagkape ka muna at napag-isipan mo ng 8 beses kasi with the 8-8 card here. Oo. Kasi meron kang tendency or merong chance na may stuck up ka in a situation na ikaw lang din ang may gawa. Okay, so be careful on that side, Virgo. Pero I think either way, ang ganda ng magiging outcome mo. Natural lang talaga na pagdaanan mo kung ano man ang dapat mong pagdaanan, okay? Kasi it's a part of the process, Virgo. Kasi new love, new home, new life, new love, my God. New place, new opportunity. So, it's gonna be at saka decluttering dito with the Ten of Wands. Multitasking, parang um, you feel drained in some point. Okay. So, kasi sa overthink to, with the Seven of Cups, confusion card. Kaya meron kang healing card. Kailangan mong mag-contemplate, meditate, Virgo guidance. I think fast na rin. Okay. You need to fast. Ito pong reading na to is para po sa mga Virgong gising. Okay. Kung alam niyo po kung anong sinasabi ko. Hindi po makaka-resonate sa timeline ng Virgong tulog. Okay. Pag may dalawa lang po 'yan, 'di ba? Lagi ko po sinasabi, pag Virgong tulog, I think ni isa dito sa reading na to hindi ka makaka-resonate. But if you are gising, lahat ng pino-point out dito mag-fall into place in reality, magma-manifest sa reality 'to. Just let me know in the comment below kung ano ang nagaganap or anong, with the Ace of Pentacles or baka skeptical kang mag-step forward or think outside the box, Virgo. Baka nakasanayan mo ng kung nasaan ka, yung sinasahod mo is enough. I think you need to go further. Yung nakikita ko dito. Okay, because kung sa makikita mo, there is more than meets the eye, Virgo. With the Three of Wands, you are planning something here. Kaya lang hindi ka maka-step outside the box. Oh. Hindi ka maka-step outside. Bakit? Hindi ko alam kung may hinihintay ka pa or something, actually nagme-meditate at kino-contemplate mo naman yung sitwasyon. Okay, which is a good thing. But with the Four of Wands, this is definitely building something with someone. Okay, if this another person, equal give and take kayo, congratulations. Pero I think both of you is may baggage. Either ikaw ang may baggage or siya ang may baggage. Okay, so that's why natitrigger yung confusion energy. Both of you are confused or maybe ikaw lang ang confused kasi there's a lot in this person's plate. Kung sino man ang idinidil mo or kung sino man connected sa'yo or maybe ikaw, there's a lot on your plate right now. Okay, so kailangan yung i-work out yung side na yan. Okay. So, but with the Wheel of Fortune, everything happens for a reason, Virgo. So, kailangan ng action dito. Action at saka yung communication dito is gonna be highlighted, Virgo, the way you communicate. So, as I said kanina, kung excited ka on something, huwag kang magdedesisyon or huwag kang magte-take action kasi may tendency na ma-stuck ka lang. Okay. Experience yun na ba yun? Matatrap ka lang sa mga sinabi mong desisyon, sa mga sinabi mo, okay. Tapos hindi mo panindigan. Yan ang nakikita ko dito. But ang ganda ng outcome dito, Virgo. What else? Tell me more. 3 cards. You have 6 of Cups. Okay. Nostalgic. Okay. 6 of Cups. Ooh, 10 with the 10 of Pentacles. 10, 10. 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. That is heavy, Virgo. Ang ganda ng outcome dito. Okay. Pero for some of you, may mga daddy issue. Okay. Or with the 6 of Cups, baby mama, daddy mama. Basta in some point like that. Or meron kang partner before, tapos meron kayong may nabuo, okay. So, nati-trigger ang past dito, no? Maaapektuhan ng future. Kung anong future ang gusto mo para sa'yo, okay, Virgo. I think mati-trigger ang emotion mo dito when it comes to past. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo. Kung sino man ang may anak ka dito, I think you're gonna be fine. If you have a new person, Virgo, and you have a past person, emotion lang naman eh. Parang magbibisita ka lang ng konti na emotionally. Okay. With the Six of Cups. Or sometimes, sa second scenario, yung nakukuha ko ang Six of Cups is like a soulmate card. Maybe past life kind of energy. Tsaka 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, 4 of Wands. Wow, ang ganda, Virgo. Ace of Pentacles. So, this is definitely a deal-deal win-win situation, Virgo. So, kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, naman ang pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon, think positive because it's already in the air, Virgo. Love is in the air, money is in the air, opportunity is in the air. So, be ready lang. Mag-declutter ka mentally, emotionally, detoxifying, Virgo. Kailangan mo mag-detoxify dito kasi foggy. Foggy ang isip mo dito, foggy ang energy mo. So, kaya hindi siguro makapasok for some of you. Yung mga dapat nakatested para sa'yo. Okay. So, this is your timeline, Virgo. Meron kang prosperity dito. So, you need to work it out, Virgo, when it comes to baggages, responsibility na hindi mo naman dapat responsibilidad. I think you need to work on that. Okay. What else? Page of Wands. Okay, so merong communication, good news. Virgo, expect some goal, expect some messages. I think ito yung hinihintay mo. Meron kang waiting dito with the Three of Wands. Okay, kung ano man ang hinihintay mo dito, it's gonna be a good news for you, Virgo. Okay. What else? Nine of Cups. Ang gaganda ng card mo. King inang yan. Nine of Cups. Akin na lang tong energy na to. High Priest, I think you know better. Okay. So, yung intuition mo is gonna be highlighted, Virgo, when it comes to may message or makikipag-communicate sa'yo dito. As I said, kung ano magiging respond mo sa communication na to, Virgo, be careful. Kasi may tendency matrap ka or may tendency magkaroon ng delay. Okay, so with your intuition card, use your own intuition, use your own discernment. Assertiveness, Virgo, ang kailangan when the communication comes in. Okay, kasi matitrigger yung emotion mo eh. Nine of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. So, okay. So, if this communication is connected from the past, it's up to you, Virgo. New person, past person, or past life person. Okay, so it's up to you. Use your own discernment. Just let me know. Tignan natin kung anong advice. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng second week ng July mo. So, tingnan natin anong advice for my Virgo collective. Kung mapapansin niyo guys, hindi ako nagsasabi ng sign kung sino ang specifically na nandito when it comes to like pares ng Six of Wands, fire sign, air sign. Hindi ako nagme-mention dyan kasi ang chart natin, hindi lang tayo like one, depende sa birth chart. Okay, kasi may mga birth chart, halimbawa Virgo, Virgo, Scorpio, Virgo, Sagittarius, depende sa chart mo. So, baka siya, kung makikita nyo sa reader or sa ibang reader na masasabi nila na baka meron siya sa chart niya ng Scorpio or Virgo thing. Pero pag certified Virgo ka, pag tatlo ang Virgo na naka-align sa planeta mo, like Venus, Mars, Pluto, Jupiter mo, puro straight Virgo, you're a certified Virgo. Okay. Kaya kung makikita nyo, makaka-resonate kayo minsan sa reading ng Sagittarius, sa reading ng kaya hindi ako mag-i-specify dito. Even though madali lang naman sabihin na meron tayo ditong Libra, meron tayo ditong Cancer, meron tayo ditong Gemini. O kung hindi ka nakikipag-deal sa person, I mean sa ganung sign, edi hindi na sa'yo yung reading na to. It doesn't even make sense. So, kaya nagsasabi ang mga reader na it doesn't have to be the sign. Kasi, kailangan mo i-clarify ang birth chart mo. Minsan makaka-resonate ka sa Virgo reading, pag pumunta ka sa Sagittarius or sa Cancer or sa Libra or sa Scorpio reading, makaka-resonate ka rin at some point. Kasi why? Nakadepende sa birth chart mo. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Gusto ko lang i-put out yun doon. Baka may mga nagtatanong na bakit hindi ko sinasabi kung anong sign ang nandito. Okay. So, tingnan natin. What is the advice, please? Communication is the key. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, communication. Lakas ng communication dito. Huwag kang mag-communicate when it comes to excited ka, happy ka, sad ka. Baka may masabi kang ikakatrap mo lang. Okay. Or ikaka-delay lang ng hinihintay mo dito. So, communication is the key. And a new start is coming. As I said, new beginning, new start, lahat, everything new, new location, everything is gonna be new. So, kailangan lang dito ng decluttering at saka cleansing, meditation, praying, you know what I mean, Virgo. At saka, your dreams need a practical plan. So, kailangan mo ng practical. As I said dito, you need to think about it, Virgo. Like for the ones contemplating need a practical plan. Use your intuition, use your own discernment, at saka a personal reaches resolution. So, a personal issue reaches resolution. So, yun ang nasa sa'yo yan, Virgo, kung anong kailangan mo i-release. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number mo. Angel message number King 2 1 8 218 Virgo. So, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, meron kang mensahe dyan. King, meron kang mga ancestor, king, like middle age, 50 or something, lolo mo or kalululuhan mo or uncle mo. Ay, hindi. Ang uncle pala is Jack. So, with the king, I think lolo mo 'yan, ancestor mo. Meron kang mensahe dito with the 218. Google mo lang siya, angel message number 218. Meron kang mensahe diyan, baka maka-resonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and bye for now.